Imagine this. It's the final day of month-end close. Your finance team is waiting. Executives want numbers. Auditors need explanations.
Can you explain the discrepancy in this report?
Yes, that relates to the timing of overseas assets.
Regional teams are sending files.
Intercompany balances don't match. Reports are delayed. And everyone keeps asking, when will financial close be completed? Now imagine. AI identifies anomalies. The system automatically explains variances, highlighting the root cause of any anomaly, providing clear and actionable insights.
Q3 analysis indicates strong asset growth. Operational efficiencies have exceeded our forecast.
And helps complete financial close faster. Welcome to the future of Oracle FCCS. If you want to master Oracle FCCS, Oracle EPM, financial close, and real implementation projects, subscribe to BISP.
Level up your skills. Master Oracle EPM today.